Yang Mulia Profesor Tengku Datuk Samsul Barit, President of Nilai University, Yang Berbahagia Profesor Datuk Dr. Sohi Rashidam, Vice President Academic of Nilai University, Mr. Andrew Ting, Vice President Administration of Nilai University, Mr. Samuel Chia Suihi, Honorary Secretary General of the Malaysian Association of Hotels, who is also the organizing chairman of Culinary Malaysia 2013, and also the past Culinary Malaysia. Mr. Ashok Kumar, I'd like to acknowledge for making his presence today, who is also the founder of the Malaysian Food and Beverage Executive Association since 1980. The present today colors to this MOU. Thank you for making this trip very meaningful for the association and for all the board members of the MABIA and for all the students of the Nilai Universities and board members of Nilai University. Thank you, Mr. Ashok. Distinguished guests, respected colleagues, fellow deans of Nilai University, fellow students, general sponsors and members of the media. Salam sejahtera and very good day to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to stand before you this morning to welcome you to the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Nilai University, also known as Nilai U, and the Malaysian Food and Beverage Executive Association, better known as MABIA. This morning, we are about to witness a combination of year of hard work by the teams in Nilai U and MABIA. I think the result of today, I would like to say a very big thank you to Bonnie Lopez and Cheng Man Kit and the rest of the Nilai management team for never saying no and pursuing the matters continuously for the past 2 years with us, the board member of MABIA, and we are so proud and happy to say that this MOU was very, very meaningful for us today. The aim of the MOU between Nilai U and MABIA is to provide strong networking opportunities as well as exchanging valuable knowledge and information to the benefit of the students from assisting practitioners of the food and beverage industry. It is hoped that this alliance will promote the highest professional standards of management education and recruitment in the hospitality industry for the benefit of both parties and their members. From MABIA's perspective, this collaboration argues well with our own objective to educate the younger generation who will be the future practitioners in the food and beverage industry. Early this month, the International Food and Beverage Association was launched, and MABIA is one of the 4 founding members, including Cambodia, Germany, and Singapore. The International Food and Beverage Association, or better known IFBA, is designed to serve as a worldwide umbrella organization. 2 new additional countries to have come on board are Thailand and Indonesia. The key objectives of this association are to share best practices through the strong networking opportunities, coupled by exchanging valuable knowledge and information. The result of this common objective would be to promote the highest professional standards of the management, education and recruitment in the hospitality industry, especially for the food and beverage service sector. Imagine what 6 countries can collectively do. Through time and future discussions, we at MABIA hope to utilize this platform available to send some students from Nilai U to any of these countries for cross-exposure. We have spoken to our counterpart in Germany, which is the president of the Food and Beverage Management Association of Germany, of seeing how can we collaborate with them with the blessing of Tengku, Professor, Doctor, to see how can we expose our students to a greater opportunity in overseas, namely in Germany, for areas that we can't offer in Malaysia, particularly in food and beverage sector itself. This will be discussed in length with Bonnie in later stage. Ladies and gentlemen, For a start, Marbia together with Ishato Coffee, the sponsor for today, will set up of Ishato Barista Lab. The primary objective of this is to improve coffee knowledge for the students. In all, there are 3 major varieties of coffee worldwide, namely Arabica, Robusta, and Liberica, contributed to 1.6 billion cups consumed each day worldwide. That's a staggering figure. We hope that the students will appreciate this cause and in long term benefits them. In the pipeline is Marbia Club, specially set up for the students of Eli University. Members of this club will be able to gain exposure through as they will be invited to sit and work with the members of the Marbia, involved in various projects including Culinary Malaysia 2013, Asia Pacific Bartenders Championship, and amongst others. This will provide the students with hands-on experience in managing an event of international standard. Before I conclude, I would like to once again thank all of you present for being here to witness this milestone, especially for those who have worked behind the scene to make this collaboration a reality. Together we can nurture young professionals who will make their mark not just in Malaysia, but worldwide. With that, I thank you.